Drawing on more than 200 years of service, Lighthouse Guild provides a full spectrum of integrated vision and healthcare services for blind or visually impaired people, including those with multiple disabilities or chronic medical conditions. Our mission is to help all of our clients lead better lives every day.
Over the last half century, Guild, now the Lighthouse Guild, has evolved from an organization that provides services for people who are visually impaired to one that recognizes the full scope of their needs.
One of our unique features is the integrated model of vision plus healthcare. What this does is enable us, with respect to our managed long-term care clients as well as our clinic clients, to really deal with the whole person.
People who are visually impaired aren't galvanized against having mental health problems, having developmental disabilities, having physical and other health issues, and we are by far the leading organization that addresses all of those in one place at one time, making it easier for clients to access services, making the services more integrated, and helping others in the world understand that comorbidities with vision impairment are things we all need to address.
Lighthouse Guild's integrative vision and healthcare services help people regain function and maximize their usable vision. We provide a full spectrum of services so that blind or visually impaired people can remain safe, independent, and active at any stage of life.
I'm a totally blind person, and it's hard for me, especially in the medical arena, to go from doctor to doctor all over Brooklyn or New York. It's hard navigating buildings and elevators. I can come to the Lighthouse Guild and get endocrinology services, podiatry services, general practitioner services, all my mental health services I need, group therapy, individual therapy. It's a great benefit to me. If I met a person who was newly visually impaired, I would highly recommend them to use the services at the Lighthouse Guild.
GuildNet Health Plans provide managed long-term care services for more than 18,000 adults with chronic medical conditions to help them live safely at home.
I would recommend my friends to GuildNet because they don't question you about this or that. You say you need it, they will try to give it to you.
The working relationship with my mother and the GuildNet care manager is one of direct communication.
From GuildNet, I receive some of my medical, like my eye clinic, my dental clinic, my wheelchair, my walking stick, and my transportation.
She shows a great deal of concern for my mom. She stays in touch with her. My mom doesn't have to call her all the time. She calls and she checks on my mother.
Our education programs improve lives through highly specialized schools, including a preschool, a school for visually impaired students with multiple disabilities, and the only community music school in the U.S. for people with vision loss.
I'm really excited to be here at Lighthouse Guild. I've learned U.S. history, that includes the Revolutionary War. I am learning more contracted Braille, also math. I would love to learn how to use new technology, and I have an iPhone and I use the voiceover screen reader on it.
Every day, Lighthouse Guild is able to provide essential vision and healthcare services to people of all ages because of the commitment and support of friends and benefactors who share in our mission. On behalf of the men, women, and children whose lives have improved because of your generosity, thank you.
It's very hard to cope with being blind, and it helps you out so much.